What's going on, guys? I just want to do a quick video about a new product I got in the mail to help enhance some of my equipment that I already have. Most of you might have seen my last video about the Rode Wireless Go. If you haven't, I'll put a link to it right here in the corner. In that video, I demonstrated how I would use the Rode Wireless Go in conjunction with my Osmo Pocket. I used the 3.5mm microphone adapter, and then I used the clip on the back of the Rode Wireless Go and just clipped it on there. It works okay, but I'm just afraid that it puts a lot of pressure on this USB joint right here, and this thing occasionally will pop off. It didn't really seem like the best way to do it, but when I first got it, it just seemed logical to me. Because of that problem, I started looking for alternative solutions to attach the Wireless Go receiver to the Osmo Pocket in a way that would allow me to use it safer. The first item I found was this little guy right here. And what you do is you take off this little cell phone attachment piece and hope you don't lose it. And then you go ahead and attach this guy right here in that same spot. And it gives you a little cold shoe mount here on the side, like so. Not bad. I don't really care for how this covers the buttons. And then the attachment point, if I want to attach anything to this, I got to do it here in the front. And you see it just kind of gets in the way for like pushing the buttons and everything. This is okay, but it wasn't the ideal solution in my opinion. Plus I'm going to lose this piece to connect it to my phone. And if I want to connect it to my phone, or if you want to use the scroll wheel, you're out on that. There's no way to use those additional accessories connecting your phone or the scroll wheel while you have this attached. I continued my search online and I came across an Etsy store called Aerial Pixel, and they sold this little guy right here, which was a cold shoe mount adapter for the Osmo Pocket. The more I looked at it, I'm like, that looks pretty interesting. So here's how it works. It's got this hole right here in the bottom that's ideal for your microphone adapter. So before you do anything, you just take this mic adapter and it fits nice and flush right there. You take your Osmo Pocket and just connect them. It's connected together now. The microphone adapter's in there. I feel like it's so safe now that I'm not going to accidentally bump that microphone adapter and potentially ruin the connection. I've got that set. Also, there's a cold shoe mount on each side. So if you're right-handed or left-handed, however you want to hold the Osmo, you've got that option. So I can just slide this guy right here, and I can vlog with my Osmo Pocket just like before. I can plug the wire in, and I'm good to go. This doesn't get in the way of the buttons. If I wanted to attach the scroll wheel, I can attach the scroll wheel. If I want to connect my phone, I can still connect my phone. So that's what I preferred this from Aerial Pixel. I'll put a link to their Etsy store down below. It was $20. This was money very well spent. I feel like it protects the Osmo Pocket, gives me a place to mount this. It's also got one of the GoPro mount adapter spots here on the back, so there's no reason why you can't still hook it to a tripod like so. So with this solution right here, I'm ready to vlog. Not a lot to this video. I just wanted to show it to you guys and show you some other options out there for using an external microphone with your Osmo Pocket. I just feel like it's a sturdier, better connection. It protects the 3.5mm adapter, in my opinion. It does make it a little bit bigger, but I feel like it protects it a lot better, and it gives me a little bit something more to hold on to when I'm vlogging. Just wanted to make this a real quick video. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks a bunch.